Chaga, a unique mushroom found on birch trees in cold regions, has captivated attention for its potential health perks. But before you dive into the trend, it's crucial to understand both the benefits and potential risks associated with this intriguing fungus. We'll explore the science behind chaga, its benefits for health and skincare, potential side effects, and some delicious recipes to incorporate it into your routine. Understanding chaga benefits. Research suggests that chaga mushrooms boast numerous health benefits. Studies indicate that chaga is rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Moreover, chaga is linked to immune-boosting properties, bolstering the body's defenses against infections and diseases. Example, a study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showcased significant antioxidant and immune-stimulating activities in chaga extract, suggesting its potential for overall health support. Chapter 1. Chaga Mushrooms and Health. Chaga Mushroom and Anxiety. Research hints at chaga mushroom's potential to alleviate anxiety due to its adaptogenic properties. Adaptogens help the body adapt to stress, promoting balance. While studies on chaga and anxiety are limited, its ability to regulate stress responses may induce a sense of calmness. Chaga mushroom and ADHD. Though research on chaga's effects on ADHD is scarce, its cognitive-enhancing properties show promise. Compounds like polysaccharides and antioxidants in chaga support brain health and clarity, potentially benefiting individuals with ADHD. Chaga mushroom and anti-aging. Chaga's antioxidant prowess is believed to combat premature aging by neutralizing free radicals, protecting skin from oxidative damage. Its immune support and overall health benefits may also contribute to youthful vitality. Chapter 2. Incorporating chaga into your routine. Recipes. Chaga mushroom. Tea. Brew chaga powder in hot water for a soothing beverage. Chaga mushroom. Coffee. Blend chaga powder with coffee for a health-boosting brew. Chaga mushroom elixir. Mix. Combine chaga powder with honey and lemon for a revitalizing drink. Chaga mushroom skin tonic. Add chaga extract to skincare products for skin health. Wild harvested chaga mushroom. Root beer elixir. Create this simple elixir by simmering chaga powder in water, then adding root beer extract and sweetener to taste. Chapter 3. Potential side effects of chaga. While chaga offers benefits, be cautious of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience digestive issues, and chaga may interact with certain medications. Allergic reactions, though rare, can occur, especially in those allergic to mushrooms or birch pollen. Example, a severe allergic reaction to chaga extract was reported in a study, highlighting the importance of caution, especially for those with known allergies. Consult a healthcare professional before trying chaga, especially if uncertain. In conclusion, chaga mushrooms present exciting health benefits alongside potential risks. With prudence and understanding, you can harness its potential for overall well-being. Explore the recipes and embrace the wonders of this unique fungus in your wellness journey.